everyone. We are from Tyagarajan Mills Higher Secondary School, Kapalur, Madurai. Our project team is Vocal for Local project. We done the project in the title of Shop Local Speak Loud. Introduction of Vocal for Local. It is a movement to make India self-sufficient, economically strong and globally competitive by empowering local industry. Limited access to technology, marketing and modern supply chains. Higher cost of local products compared to mass-produced alternative. Lack of awareness about the benefits of buying local. Awareness and education. Contact workshop in schools, college and community to educate people about local products and their value. Use social media, blogs and influencers to spread the message widely. Offer access to finance, subsidies or microloans to help them scale their operations.
Benefits of Vocal for Local. Money spent on local products stays within the community, supporting small business. Small products, women, entrepreneurs and marginalized groups gain visibility and income. Local products are often handmade or crafted with care. Consumers know the source of products, supporting transparency. Future development of our project is strengthen local industries if more support will be given to small and medium enterprises through financial and modern technology. Digital empowerment, e-commerce platforms and digital marketing will be used more effectively to connect local sellers directly with consumers across India. The employment generation with the growth of local insurance industries, more job opportunities will be created in rural and urban areas. Thank you.